Hello guys. I'm just gonna show you today how to replace a cabin filter on an Acura TL 2011. It's very easy to replace. So you gotta just open this. If you see this tray over here, you gotta just pull it out, and there's gonna be, here is the filter. Let me take this out too. You gotta do it with both hands because there's like a clip on both sides, on this side and this side too. So we take that out and replace the other one. Here what you gotta do is just put it back in. And this corner looks like. Alright, here we go. There we got it. Just put it back in, push it in. Okay. And then put this tray back in, and that's it. Okay, it's ready to go.